Hi, this short Map Business Online video is about route barriers. We've got a route here that we've generated on this particular map. I'm zoomed in pretty far because I want to avoid this particular area. And so what I do is I grab my polygon tool and I simply create a little polygon. Again, you know how to do it. Drop that point on the map, move your mouse to pull your cursor along, bring it back to the beginning. We don't need to save the file, but we do notice over here in the dialog box that we can set that polygon as a route barrier. So we just say set it as a route barrier. Now we can choose to update the route and directions when we do it, which is probably a pretty good idea. So I'd say yes to that. And Map Business Online will go through and consider all of the route implications of that route barrier and reroute accordingly. And then if we zoom back out, we can see how the route shifts. So let's see if I can find where that route is. So there it is. You can see my route barrier is right there along the highway in that orange area here. That's my route barrier. And you can see my route had been coming right up. That's probably 95, right up 95. My route had been moving right along there up to Providence, and now it's moved way over here to 195. Route barriers have an impact. So you can actually adjust your map activity, your routing activity based on a route barrier in mapbusinessonline.com. So for more